Actually, Carl, let's go for the video.
Okay.
Okay.
So, Carl, diba, tell me about this day.
This day is a very important day in my life. I am enjoying very much.
Animal. Pero actually, tinpong lang kita, Carl, no?
Yeah.
Oh, si
Yeah.
Carlo,
Don
Donding,
Si Arthur, si Carmen.
and the pool, na Dilimpio, cottages, and
things.
yeah, my God.
And the babes, dude.
Yes, tell me about that. Tell me about that, Carl.
They were gone.
Yeah.
They're gone.
Yeah.
Tell
This
me,
scared
kung
them
sila
away.
ginante, Carl? Kung sila ginante?
We came here like they were like in the pool, man.
Yes?
They were all soaking wet.
Yes. They were
Uh-huh.
and their dresses are like so thin, man. I
Mm.
mean, you can see them. I mean,
Yeah. After that, tell me after that.
and then when we were talking back there,
Uh-huh.
one of them just went down the wall, came back up, and oh my God, she was up with her bras, man.
Uh-huh.
With her bras.
Without her shirt.
And yet you didn't warn me. How dare you guys?
It's
Oh,
because
Donding never
I was
saw that.
so busy watching the corned beef.
Poor Donding.
yeah, he got some brain problems, you know.
Yeah.
It's not
Hey,
a
Carl,
brain problem.
Carl,
Yes.
I believe I should say this.
Yes.
Lester, you're missing so much, Lester.
Nga!
Really, di ba, Carl?
Ano, berasan, guys. Siya move on niya, bu. Kaya bulo ko tamin. Ito ka namun, di ba?
Oh, shit pa.
Di ba?
Grabe, as in, busog ito ng os.
No.
They have a point. They really have a point.
For Lester siya.
Yeah. You guys have a point.
Oh.
Mahina at bulis. Mahina at buching na lis. Hindi na okay, lis. Bing klaro at lis. Pagkamar ka ni Paul.
Hey, Carl, don't forget to mention sexy and...
Yeah. Sexy na ta chubby. You know? Full of juice type. Not that thin kind of sexy na parang model, but dude,
Yeah.
if they're naked, you're gonna the juices.
Yeah.
The juices, man. It's standing up.